Let's talk about the latest launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy A16 5G with flatter and stylish design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus water drop notch display. Resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, approximately 86% screen to body ratio. 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 385 ppi pixel density, 800 nits HBM brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.2, and with 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 13 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, and the company provides up to 6 years of Android upgrades and up to 6 years of security updates, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 6.1 screen. On top the device, under the hood the phone CPU is octa-core up to 2.4 GHz, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6306 nanometer, or Samsung Exynos 1335 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2, or Mali G68MP2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1.5 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 77.9 by 7.9 mm, and it weighs around 200 grams, and the color options, light gray, light green, gold, blue, black. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G has been priced in France for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at €249. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.